Hey, just got a new car jump starter, 12 volt, 40 amp peak current. It's at 3.7 volts and 24 amps. A couple things says it comes with the obviously the charger, your cables, nice storage, charging cable, and adapter, and obviously user manual. Now this is good for 10-liter gasoline and 10-liter diesel. Okay, so like I said, it has a USB-A port and also a Type-C port. Nice carrying case. Zip it up. Now it does have, one thing it's got 10 built-in safety precautions. Some includes like fire, short circuiting, reinforced clamps, and I'll show you that in a second. Here. Manual. Got your charging port. Your cigarette lighter for the adapter to charge it. And I talked about the reinforced clamps. You can see a lot of them only have a couple teeth on it. They've got a bunch of them on there. In itself. Like I said, 12 volt, and starting current is 2000 amp, and peak current is 4000 amps. We'll turn the power on. Okay, now it's telling us 83% charged, and that would be for your cigarette lighter. You've got your Type A and Type C, and then you can get LED light here. This, and that turns off then. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the user manual, and it says that goes there. This would be for jumping. I said the power, so I'm just gonna take a look to make sure we got the ports correct, and that would be for, we're gonna plug it in right there. Here's the back side of here, and then we're gonna, you can see all that. One is circled, one is arch. So I'm gonna double check the manual real quick, make sure we got everything in place, and we'll show you how it works. Okay, now let's say we're at 75%. I'm gonna plug in and get the positive on. Okay, now with the multifunctional screen, it tells you that it is ready to start it up. So this card's gonna sit for a little bit. Start it right up and take these off. And we'll go back. So we got that. I'm going to shut the car down. I'm sure it's one more function of it. But again, press right now. I'm looking for a great one. It's got a ton of power to it. It's got different USB ports on there. Again, for a laptop or a phone. Maybe need something for clean out the vehicle. It would be great to have a little vacuum. This would be great, like I said, for cars, boats, RVs, great for traveling, or somebody that may need it, or even a great gift idea. Kind of like an all-in-one. So look for something like this. I definitely recommend this product. Okay, so I'm going to do some charging. Like I said, you can do laptops, computers, but this is just a base charging station. Okay, and it charges, like I said, very multifunctional. Great, like I said, for camp and stuff like that. So just another way that you can utilize the jump starter. So one other thing I forgot to mention with that 3.7 24 amp lithium battery on here. It's got a ton of power, and I definitely recommend this product.